Hi, this is Pat Hanahoe-Dosch, your professor. I'm here to talk to you about poem assignment number 3. Here you get to use any form you want, but be careful. So here are the instructions. You're going to write a poem that protests something, whether it's war, sexism, racism, the way someone treated you specifically, an injustice, or something simpler like homework, poetry assignments, whatever you want. You could think of this as a political poem or not. It doesn't have to be. You're just protesting something. Abide by the following rules. At least every other line must contain at least one specific concrete word. And again, the more concrete language you use, the stronger your poem is going to be. 2, there must be at least one clear concrete image in the poem. 3, you may not use cliches. No cliches or trite language. 4, avoid sentimentality. Try to keep your poem true to its subject and the real emotions beneath it. This is not as easy as it sounds. Don't tell us you're angry. Make us feel angry too by putting us there and making us feel those emotions. You may use any form, but be careful. If you choose to use rhyme and meter, make sure that you don't sacrifice the poetry, language, and meaning for the sake of a rhyme or meter. You're better off sacrificing the rhyme or the rhythm in order to get across the perfect word, the best language, the most poetic language. You don't want to sacrifice the actual poetry and the meaning and the precise words just because you want a particular sound or rhyme. Okay? But you don't have to rhyme either, whatever form you wish. Okay. So again, let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I will talk to you later.